We're here in our brand new welding facility where we are welding train car bodies from high strength aluminium alloys to very precise welding tolerances for some really exciting UK rail projects. This capability enhances Newton Aycliffe and enables us to build trains from start through to finish. The team have done an incredible job to upskill, to learn these new aluminium welding skills, including recruiting apprentices and training apprentices, training existing members of staff, and also recruiting new roles. This investment of £8.5 million further adds to the incredible investment Hitachi's put into this facility and into the northeast, and we've now invested well over £100 million into this site. This has shown Hitachi's commitment to this site, to the northeast, to the supply chain in the UK, and to the fantastic employees and trade union partners that we have.